Okay, so this is a new airbrush system I got offline, and I'm going to do an unboxing of it. So this cost me 25 bucks, I believe, off of Amazon. And the name of the company is a Row HS, I guess. But anyway, this would be just a regular black base airbrush, USB powered airbrushing system. So we're going to unbox it now. And this is what I'm going to use on my, see if y'all can see that. Do it like this. All right. Got it out of the box. Put it in a nice styrofoam case. Of course, it comes with the USB plug. Comes with some micro cleaning brushes and pipes to clean the line of the actual brush itself. All right. Then you got this powered. You hear that? Yeah. Now I charge this up, and that's different speeds. That's a lower speed, an even lower speed, and then off. Okay, so you got 3 speed settings: high, medium, and low. So we're just gonna keep it basic, nice. Then it comes with this little brush here. This is my wand. You take this wand, attach it here. Pretty much got a system here. Airflow here. You can set the perimeter of the so yeah, feels just like a regular motor. Okay, then you have uh your painting containers. This one holds up to, oh, what is this, several ounces. I'm not sure. And then this one holds up to I'll say about half a paint. I think these are paints. I'm not sure. They don't tell you stuff when they give it. But anyway, the assembly is easy. Once you fill it with paint, boom, you got your capsule here. Paint goes in here. Cut it on, and we do some airbrushing. So there you have it. Of course, it comes with a replacement nozzle. They give you a replacement nozzle as well, for, just in case your other one gets clogged up. They also give you another casing for. I don't know what this is for. This is an extra something. I don't know what it goes to. I guess it screws on to. Screws into here. Oh yeah, okay. That's just a smaller valve. I don't know why it's black, maybe for fluorescent colors, but yeah, this is a nice little setup. I like it, and yeah, it's worth my $25. I'm gonna put it to use maybe sometime this week. But yeah, if you want to get an airbrushing system off of Amazon, I would say this would be a good purchase. It has a 4.5 star rating, so it can't be that bad. And for what I need to do, I'm not doing shirts or anything. This will be for shoes. When I'm doing my shoes, I need a little, airbrush effect to give it a nice little clean edge sometime when I'm doing my work. So yeah, stay tuned, and we're going to put this to work, and you're going to see it in action. All right.